string without AAA or BBB. So for this problem, we are giving two integers a and b. So we're gonna return any string s. Oh, excuse me, such that s has length a plus b and contains exactly a characters of a and b characters of b. So what does that mean? So we are giving two numbers a and b. So we only need to have one number of a and two number of b. So it's gonna be ABB or it can be BBA. So that is also okay. So what is that is that inside of the substring we cannot have something like AAA or BBB. We cannot have that kind of substring. So inside of the second example, we cannot have something like AAA, B and A. So we have to have something like AA and B and AA. Yeah. So according to the value of A and B, so definitely for this problem we're gonna use the greedy idea to solve the problem. So this means for any number we're gonna check if A is bigger or B is bigger. So let's just use the second example. So if A is bigger, so that means we must consume A first, otherwise it will not work. So if we consume B first, we have a B, and then we have 4 A's. So definitely it didn't work. Yeah. So this means for any value of a and b, we're going to always consume the bigger number first. If a is bigger, we're going to consume a first. Yeah. So if we consume a, after that a going to become 3 because we consumed 1 here. A going to be 3 and b going to still 1. So which number is bigger? A is still bigger, so we're going to still consume a. So it's going to become AA. And here, this a going to become 2 because we consumed another 1. Yeah. Now we still want to compare this a and b. Yeah, a is bigger, we want to get a, but there is a condition. We cannot have AAA. To avoid have the AAA, we have to check. So this is our result. If the length of the result is more than and equal to 2, if the result -1 equal to result -1 equal to result -2, so it means if they are equal. So we're gonna check the last character. If this character is a, so definitely we cannot put a, we have to put a b, because we already have 2 a's. So that means we're gonna consume a b. So after that, b gonna become 0 and a gonna equal to 2, and we're gonna continue to check because the length of the result is more than and equal to 2, and this a not equal to this b. So this means we can continue to check a is bigger or b is bigger because we only have 1 a and 1 b here. So this means for the next character, it can be a or it can be b, but it is dependent on which one is bigger. So a is bigger, so we're going to consume a. So here a going to become 1, and b is 0. A is bigger, so we're going to consume another a, because this b, a, they are not equal. So this means for AAA or BBB situations, we don't have such situations. We just check which one is bigger, so we're going to have another a. So the final answer is going to be AA, B, AA. Yeah. So the idea is the greedy idea. We just need to write a while loop to solve the problem. So while we have a b or a. So we're going to have if condition to check. If the result is more than or equal to 2, so the result I'm going to set an empty array, empty string. Finally, I'm going to return this result. If it is more than or equal to 2, and the result -1, -2 equal to result -1, so we're going to check if we can write a or write b. So let's just write is right a. Yeah. So if we are going to write a or b, is write a going to equal to result -1 equal to b. If it is equal to b, we're going to write a. Otherwise, we're going to write b. Yeah. So we just need to check the last character because of the last two characters they are equal. So otherwise, is the write a gonna equal to a more than or equal to b? If a is more than or equal to b, definitely we're gonna is the write a. So if it's the write a, so we are going to write a. So the result gonna plus equal to a, and a gonna minus equal to 1. And similarly, if we are going to write b, result gonna plus equal to b, and b gonna minus equal to 1. And finally, we're gonna return the result. Now let me just run it to check if it works. It didn't work because this is an AND, not OR. Yeah. If it is more than or equal to 2 and the last two characters are equal, so we're gonna check if we're gonna write A or write B. Yeah. Now as you can see, it works, and let me just submit it. Now as you can see, it passed for all testing cases, and it's pretty fast, and the time complexity is just O(n), and the space complexity is O1, and this n is dependent on A plus B, so it's gonna be 200. So this time complexity gonna be A plus B, and the space complexity gonna be O1. I think that's all about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.